Good morning guys, it's 6:30 in the morning and we are leaving for Ooty today, which is 280 kilometers from Bangalore, and we are going on a bike trip. So let's wake everyone up. Okay guys, so we have crossed 74 kilometers and we have stopped for breakfast now, and we'll start the journey again. So we crossed Samgar where the shooting of Sole was done, and now we will be starting our journey soon after our breakfast. So let's go. Okay guys, so we have completed 160 kilometers away from Bangalore and now we are in Mysore. We thought of eating food at Gufa restaurant, but it's closed and it will open after 12:40. So we are headed to Purohit restaurant with Deepak, my friend. Okay guys, so the sun is up and we are almost 60 kilometers away from Ooty. We'll be reaching there in 2 hours as the traffic in the city is really bad. See the view. So guys, behind me is Madhumala Tiger Reserve, and this way we will be reaching Ooty in 30 kilometers. So stay tuned. plans to go 12 kilometers uphill to Ooty. Last band. So guys, we have reached our homes and you can see the view here. These are the awesome houses. Okay guys, so it feels like we are back to Bangalore as Ooty has the same kind of traffic. Okay, we are ready to go. We have to reach here. So we'll be eating at Hyderabad Biryani House and we'll just leave for today and explore the rest of Ooty tomorrow. So let's go. So now it's New Year and we'll be exploring Ooty tomorrow in 2017. So I'll show you the fireworks happening here. So happy New Year guys, and it's 12 AM here in Ooty and it's 8 degrees, so it's very chilly and we'll see you tomorrow again.